Welcome to the FishNV app desktop tutorial. To get started, go to your browser and type in fish.wildlifenv.com. Once there, you'll get to this homepage. Let's select the Where Can I Fish tab to get started. Clicking that link takes us to this interactive map of the state. Here, highlighted in blue, are all of Nevada's fishable waters. Let's zoom in to get a better look. Now I've clicked on Virginia Lake, and here we have a zoomed in view of Virginia Lake on the map, and we can also see where it's located. It's in the western region in Washoe County, and here are all of the catchable sport fish species. As we move down the page, we can also see the water records for Virginia Lake, as well as all of the trophy fish entries. To find out more about the trophy fish program, select this link. But for now, let's go back to the main map. Along the right-hand side, you will see several different filters. You can search by species, water type, NDOW region, or county. And as you make selections, this list of fishable waters will change. One other feature of the map is being able to toggle between satellite imagery and topographic imagery. Now, to legally fish in Nevada, you also have to have a valid Nevada fishing license. So if you don't already have one, go back to the main page, select Buy a Fishing License, scroll down, select Purchase Now, and you will be prompted to provide the appropriate information to purchase a Nevada fishing license. If you have any questions about the app, select our Frequently Asked Questions tab, or simply scroll down the main page. If you still have questions, please send us a message on social media and we will get back to you as soon as we can.